Retro.
So, si ate talaga, tinatanong niya ako, ano ng vitamins share ako. And guys, if you're a nursing student, talagang girl, kailangan mo ng vitamins kasi lagi kang puyat, lagi kang pagod, and alam naman sa hospital, paligid-ligid na ang mga sakit dyan sa dose ko. Kaya, I recommend talaga mag-vitamins kayo sis. Like, number 1 yan. Kasi girl, kapag nagkasakit kayo, tapos may duty, hindi kayo papayagan mag-duty kapag may sakit kayo. Kaya, girl, alaga, gawin yung sarili niya paminsan-minsan. So, ito yung mga vitamins na na-try ko. Baka sumitan parang yung mga tiyagang tayo sa vitamins. But, ito yung una kong try na vitamins to ascorbic acid sa Watsons. So, ganyan siya guys. And ascorbic acid siya, 500 mg. And for me, maganda siya guys. Like, hindi naman ako super duper, yung appetite ko is wala, alam nyo, kung wala ang lahat ng vitamins na hindi. Kung tamad ka, pero gusto, di ba talaga yung gana ko kumain? Talaga yung so, since last year, ito pa rin yung
Love you if you're unattractive. I just got little heads on me. It's just true that famous beauty.
sabi niya,
I love you more than I can say.
stop! Do not join my birthday live stream and call to Luna on my birthday or you will ruin my birthday live and I'll crash out. Guys, it's my birthday. I'm going to see you there for my live stream. Take the pink circle. I'm going to be doing a big concert. Hope to see you there. Stop! Do not join my birthday live stream and call to Luna. I am Ines Mali.
People think budgeting means saying no to everything. The truth is, budgeting is the reason I got to say yes to weekends like this. Last week, I finally got to spend a few days back home. I spent time with my sister, caught up with friends, and had quality time with my family. Instead of stressing over every expense, I already knew what I was comfortable spending. For getting around, for example, we booked our rides through Grab. Because I'm convenient that now when you're hopping from one place to another, compared sa ibang options that are available to us, ito yung pinaka-affordable choice. If you window shop, try restaurants when you're going to visit, what a view pa sa Lumo with a little grocery bag, and I finally got that overdue haircut. The next days were more of the same. Coffee dates, lunches, church with family, taking Chippy, my dog to the groomer, merienda with my mom and titas, and even a little ukay hunting. Nothing extravagant, just ordinary moments with people I love. And those are honestly my favorite kinds of weekends. Here's what I ended up spending. And you know what? Years ago, seeing this total would have made me panic. Today, I'm okay with it. Because hindi sila mga impulse purchases. These were intentional memories that I already had made room for in my budget. That's the thing about budgeting. It's not about spending as little as possible. It's about spending on what matters to you. People think budgeting means girl, get back on track.
Oh no, oh no.
Ah! I think, wow, na-deliver yun! Hindi siguro, hindi ay, ang tingin ko siya di ay. Hindi na pa, hindi na pa na naging ano, hindi na. Hindi na.